how to close apps on Mac. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that'll help you close apps so that they're no longer running on your Mac, MacBook, Mac Mini, anything running macOS. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So if you have an app open, even if you select the little X right here, it'll still be running in the background and you can tell that it's still running because the icon for that app in the tray, if it has a dot under it, that means it's still running. So the first way to close the app is to simply, with the app selected, go up, select the app name next to the apple, and then go down and select quit. If I select quit, you'll notice that the little dot under Safari is now gone. The next way you can close an app is to simply right-click the icon in the dock and then select quit. And as you can see, the dot will close and that app is no longer running in the background. Now, if for some reason this is not working for you and the app is still running, even though you've gone through the process of selecting quit, the next method we can use to close an app on our Mac is force closing it. And to do that, go open to the top menu up here and on the right, select the search icon, and then just type Activity Monitor. You'll see Activity Monitor come up, select it, and you can filter by selecting the process name, or you could even search. So the app I'm going to close is Safari, and there it is. Select it in the list here, and then just select the X in the top, and you can either select quit, but if that's not working for you, you can select force quit, and that'll close the app. And as you can see, the dot is gone now, and I have now closed Safari. And that's how you close apps on a Mac. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.